Climate change is here and you should be alert. Do you want to learn how to participate in the climate change initiative? Today we are going to share with you how easy it is to conserve water. So, what is a rain barrel? A rain barrel collects runoff water and can be stored for later uses, such as gardening, cleaning, and emergencies. Why rain barrels? It's a great way to save money, it's sustainable and builds resiliency. These are the materials you need for the rain barrel. A large garbage can or any large container that you can find. A landscaping fabric or mosquito screen. A washing machine valve or spigot. A drill, a rubber washer, a metal washer, a hose clamp, a brass pipe nipple, and one tube of waterproof silicone sealant. Note that the size of washers, brass pipe, nipple, and clamp depends on spigot size. Let's begin. Step 1. Gather your materials. Most hardware stores sell these products, but you can buy them for cheaper prices at Costco, Home Depot, Lowe's, Warehouse Discount Center, Walmart, Target, or online stores like Amazon, Target, and eTrailer. Make sure the amount of materials you have matches the number of barrels you have. Step 2. Find an area to place your barrel where the rain will be collected efficiently. Barrels can be placed in different sections of the house. For example, the garden, the roof, or under a rain downspout. Once the placement of the barrel is determined, make sure the base is stable and strong. You can use crushed stone or mulch. Step 3. Use a drill to create a hole near the bottom. The hole should be big enough for the spigot to fit. Don't create a hole that's too low. Leave space underneath. To prevent leakage, place a metal washer onto the threaded end of spigot or nipple. Next, put a fitting rubber washer over the threads to hold the metal washer in place. Squeeze a small amount of silicone around the nipple, covering a little bit of the rubber washer. Next, insert the spigot into the hole. Step 4. Cut a hole or hose in the lid to collect rainwater. Make sure the hole is large enough for the water flow. You'll also want to drill a hole or two near the very top of the barrel. The hole allows for water to overflow. If you build additional barrels, put a short length of hose or a PVC pipe from the overflow hole to another rain barrel to connect them. Excess water will be saved. Next, take your landscaping fabric and cut a piece. Use the piece to put over the top of your rain barrel. Then, put the lid over the top to secure it. This will prevent mosquitoes and other pests from getting in your water. Now that the hard work is done, step 5. Place your rain barrel directly underneath where the runoff water flows or near a place where you can use the water for gardening, etc. Remember, rain barrels must be emptied between rain events to prevent overflow. Then, just wait for the rain and enjoy your fresh water and of course, your money savings.